Yeah, a house can feel when you care for them. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm here for. Like the pool man, how the pool man come keep your pool clean. I'm the house man. Yeah, you call me, I come get your house a bath. I make love to the house. Yeah, I made love to it, put a nice little rub on her, get her clean and shined up. And when I passed by, she said, hey, remember me? I said, yes, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, they talk to you?
Yeah, they talk to me. Yeah. It's a distinct voice. So when I ride past, they say, hey, you remember me? I said, yes, ma'am. I'll be to see you next year. And she loved me for it. Yeah. They scream my name. They scream my name, baby, when they see me.
Jet, baby. Watch yourself.
Welcome to KRG Pressure Washing. Man, we out today, man. We just rolling. We shooting today, going out, spending the day with KRG Pressure Washing, man. We headed to a job. We headed to a job down in Saltgrass on the south side of Atlanta, Georgia, down in the subdivision. So we're gonna go knock him out. We're gonna take y'all with us today. This is it's a new client in a subdivision that I'm pretty much dominant in. I'm dominant in this subdivision. So any pressure washing goes on in this neighborhood, they gonna call KRG Pressure Washing. In this subdivision, I do everybody one set price, and I did that on purpose when I first started. But therefore, when they call, it won't be no price negotiations or nothing like that. I pretty much give everybody a deal. I originally did it because I don't have to travel. I can just pull my trailer out and go around the block. So I just did everybody one set price for the home, and the driveway separate. So, you know, we taking a trip back to my old neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? Do a full house washing a driveway, and you know, we're gonna make it happen. The driveway had never been done, so this subdivision is about 6 years old. So I got about 6 years of build up. 6 years of build up on the driveway, which is still not bad. I've done driveways was 15, 20 years old that had never been done. So 6 years isn't bad.
So you got 6 years of build up on it?
6 years of build up on it between, you know, rain, mold, dirt, probably some oil. You know, it's not bad. It's
How
not
about
bad.
The house?
It's not bad at all. The house, one side is fairly molded. I've seen worse, you know, but probably like two coats of diluted chemical ratio, lightly, you know, not no strong mix. Normally this project, I've looked at the home, it'll take me probably right at an hour. Just with how I do things, I love to make sure I rinse thoroughly, so I don't leave chemical on the client's home. And if you know anything about pressure washing, it leave this pile of residue on the side of the vinyl. That's the last thing you want for your client. So they don't know, and a lot of fresh, newly pressure washing, they take advantage of that. But you know, I wouldn't recommend you go with a $150 house wash.
Damn.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it. Those guys kind of saturate the market. They mess up the market, and you can't really stand firm on your prices, being that majority of people want to take the cheaper route. But I leave that up to the client, so that's why I kind of build a relationship with them and let them know you can go that route. You know, I wouldn't prefer you to, but if you do, you know, just know that it's gonna cost you more in the long run. So you want to know what you're doing when you're house watching, so you don't damage the customer's property, whether if it's racked in or later on down the road, because buying vinyl gonna cost you way more than $150. Right. So
can you damage the driveway doing pressure washing?
You cannot damage the driveway. Only thing you can do is have surface clean the driveway, which you'll see street marks in the driveway.
Okay.
It's because they went over at one time. They probably didn't post-chem and pre-chem and post-chem, which is laying chemical down before to eat up any additional mold or plants. You know, that
so you don't do yours like that?
Like what?
You said the streaks.
Oh yeah, no. You ain't gonna see. You're not gonna see no streaks in the driveway at all when I touch it. At all, you ain't gonna see no streaks, no nothing. You know, a lot of people they just go lateral or they go side to side. A lot of people don't know. With uneven ground, you're gonna need to go up and down and side to side. You know, yeah. You're gonna need to go up and down and side to side to eliminate any street marks, and you're gonna need to do your post kim for when it dry, eat up anything that may be left behind.
What kind of chemicals you use?
Well, I call it SH. It's my secret. You know those.
That boy got them secrets.
Yeah, those who know what SH is. You know what I'm saying? I call it super sauce. You know what I'm saying? But I won't cause you got to know what you're doing.
Yeah.
You just can't go get this stuff and use it. And if you do your research, that's why the Kim mix is important. Dang, my guys put a supermarket right here. I thought this was so crazy, man. But this one here,
damn,
this was not here at all. Well, so yeah, for the channel, we down by the Atlanta Motor Speedway, man. Down on the south side of Atlanta. So if you come anywhere down here, this is what this is the south side. Welcome to the south side, baby. This is the south side. But yeah, anytime I'm coming to a job, anytime it gets slow, I just call HOA and tell them to turn up the fire. And then my clients go to call on my phone. That's my man, that's my inside joke right there. Y'all don't take that. Don't take that now. You know what I'm saying? So, but HOA been on these guys, man. So that's why they been calling. And we're going to perform our Call of Duty, man.
Now, real quick, what's your setup for pressure washing? So you got a trailer?
Yes, sir.
And what kind of size water tank you got?
I got a 525 gallon water tank. You don't need that. I just knew what I needed coming into the industry.
I see what you're saying. That side of that house, that's dirty.
Yeah, terrible. But they also won't pay no money either. They won't pay no money, so there's some 150 clients out there who don't really care about their home. But if you a homeowner, it's investment. So but when I brought my pressure washer, I knew exactly how long I wanted to take me to do a home. So I knew what I needed to buy. I didn't want to spend 2-3 hours at one location, unless I'm doing more than one thing. But a lot of these homes out here, I've done multiple times with no problem. So the setup I got, 525 gallon tank. I keep about 200 gallons of water on me at all times, to start the project. And I have a Hydro Max, 4,000 PSI, 6 gallons a minute.
Damn.
So 6 GPM. So
ooh, that can take skin off the bone, boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got to know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? You'll put a hole in these folks' house. You'll damage plant beds, everything. So you got to know what you're doing. 6 gallons a minute. You got 6 gallons coming out the head of that nozzle per minute. That's a lot of water. So that's why the 500 gallon tank was efficient for me. I ain't getting the roof job done over here.
Yeah, them boys ain't playing.
The sun damaged the roof. That house ain't even that old. I don't know why these guys getting roof jobs done with 6-year-olds homes. I don't understand that. I don't understand that. Yeah, I don't understand that. But we made it to the neighborhood, you guys, and we made it to the neighborhood. So we pretty much here. Dog, that was my first client out here. Right here, this house straight ahead.
Really?
I done her twice since then. Driveway and all. Every time she calls, she get the whole package. This was my first house out here. Yup. So yeah, my first house out here. I got to do her sometime next week. She don't be tripping though. Whenever I come to do it, she cool. She want me to do her driveway. I seen a single lady out here. She got about 4 kids, man. I told her I'll work with her. She really dirty though. She right here. You know what I'm saying? you know, I work with her, you know. Certain clients I work with, man, you know. See, now this driveway is, as you can tell, you know, I'm gonna bring it back, but this
the home.
This the home, bro. Yeah, this the home. So we gonna get out and we're gonna make sure everything is out of the way. We're gonna take before pictures. We're gonna take after pictures for property use. You know, make sure everything is back how we found it. And we're gonna get started. Like I say, it's about 7 years or less old, and this house has never been pressure washed. Never. What I'm gonna do for her is I'm gonna just do a basic house wash. So, light Kim mix, a little dish detergent. I'm gonna clean the patios and bring that all the way back. Patio, front patio. We're just gonna give her a nice home wash. Yeah, we're gonna give her a nice home wash. The window, this is bad, you guys. This is bad. This is bad. Yo, this is bad. You don't want your house like this. Don't neglect your home, guys. It's your investment. You gotta think they throwing them up anyway, so you wanna try your best to take care of your home. But anyway, she got me in here today. So the first thing we're gonna do, you all, is we did our thorough inspection first. We see what type of condition it is. So you don't want to put no pressure on this home at all. At all. Any type of little bit of pressure can snap some of this stuff loose. Like I said, they just threw the home up anyway. So my first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse it. I'm gonna rinse two sides. I'm gonna rinse it real good because it's dry, the sun been hitting it. So I'm gonna do a nice rinse on this home, this left side and the back side. I'm gonna rinse them thoroughly before I apply any type of chemical. So I'm gonna rinse them. Once I rinse them real good, get them real good, nice and wet, I'm gonna put a light blend of soap and Kim on them, and I'm gonna let it sit probably for like 3 minutes, about 3 minutes max. And I'm gonna clean the back patio while I let it sit for 3 minutes max. By the time I come back to wash them off, the application should be done what it's supposed to do. So the brick, I'm gonna put a nice shine on the brick. It's okay. I'm gonna put a nice shine on the brick. I'm gonna wash it as well. This is driveway. This is horrible. It's horrible. As you can tell, the car been sitting here. All the rust from the car, the rain. But like I said, once again, we gotta be. This is hardy board. This is not vinyl. So you definitely want to be careful with the hardy board. It's like wood. So you definitely want to do a nice rinse on it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of bird poop as well be up under the balconies and stuff from where they house at. So you don't want to put no pressure on this stuff. This stuff can come off with your hand. Bird poop come off with your hand. So we do a nice rinse on it. And the door, you want to avoid the door jams. With these homes, water do seep in. So you want to avoid the door jams as well. So you do a quick rinse and keep it going. This is one of the reasons why we moved. We moved because, like I said, this is 6 years of water damage. So once again, you guys, you don't want to put too much water. You want to know what you're dealing with when you are messing with the homes. This side isn't bad, but we still gonna give it a nice rinse. Still gonna give it a nice coating. Not as much as the other side, real light. And we're gonna wash them thoroughly as well. We got to wash them thoroughly. You can't leave no chemical on these folks' homes, even though it may have been a little bit neglected now. So we're not gonna just treat it how it look. We're gonna treat it with some tender love and care, you know, and get it real nice and bring it back. So when the people hit the corner, they'll be able to see, dang, she take care of home, you know. So that's what we here to do. Now that we're at 200 gallons, we're gonna get them fired up, baby. Choke. It's just something about the phase. It's just something about it. Something about the phase. It's going from dirty to clean. Stay clean, guys. Stay clean. Stay clean. Like they turn how you want it too big time. Keep your feet just a little bit. See that pressure is like a water hose. It's not really doing too much. That's exactly how we're gonna apply the kiln, just like this. Yep, just like that. Yeah, run down. You ain't put no pressure on that house. I can turn it down a little more if I need to, but this is alright. This is okay. This ain't gonna hurt nothing. This ain't gonna hurt nothing. Yeah, this ain't gonna hurt nothing. I done did a whole house and wasn't nothing coming out before. Yeah, that's not the fun part. But sometimes I let it hit my face and smell it. That's how I know it's coming out. But I can tell when it's coming out. Oh, I smell it. Yeah, it's coming out. Watch yourself. You feel like a magic eraser. Kind of stubborn a little bit, but as long as you lay it on there, it do the work for you. You just kind of just monitoring how much you putting on there. Areas that ain't that bad, like this back side, it's gonna melt off like butter. Kind of just shoot up top, let it run down. A little splash back gonna get on you every now and then, but shoot, that's part of it. If she had grass out here, I would water the grass before I started. This stuff will burn your grass. So we're gonna want to get this next thing big time. I'm gonna put that turbo nozzle on right quick. Alright, gonna switch my knob. You do this one more good time. There's aluminum up top. Alright, I think that's good enough. So I just did one pretty good coat. Sometimes I get dirty, but it's alright. But you finna see a phase right now.
What you just did?
I just put my turbo nozzle on. That's gonna get to the bare surface of this concrete. Every layer of dirt coming off. One spin. done. By that time,
Yo,
our house should be how we want it.
I love the way that shit sounds. I love the way that bitch sound, big time.
Put that water back on. Rinse down that side and get ready to knock him off. Remember I told you I had to pre-kiln my concrete. So when I'm at it, I'm going in and pre-kiln him. Jet, baby. Watch yourself. We on the third rinse. Had to apply a second coat of chemical. But right now we making sure every piece of chemical is off this house. So you asking how you do that? Anywhere I shoot, the suds come out. I kind of concentrate on that area. That means there's some soap still, as you can see it right there. You can see it. As you can see it, see that means there's a lot of soap in there. Yeah. Doing a thorough rinse. This is a thorough rinse after chemical been applied. This is a thorough rinse. So I use a whole lot of water during this time. I'm very particular about leaving this stuff on the client's home. So that's why I do this. And if you pressure wash, you should too. But if you just come in for the look, for the entertainment, come along, baby, and watch me shoot this water. The house pretty much done. On the back side, left side, we're moving to the front. Chemical is sitting on the front, so I can't spend too much time doing my watch. Boom. Sound like a lawnmower.
Yeah, sounds like a helicopter.
All right, big boy time.
Uh-oh.
Good old 20 in. All right. Roll down here. We're gonna start where we started at. Get everything. You know we just got him. We'll get him again. man, get what I forgot.
What?
Part of that sidewalk. Running, boy. Ooh, that's my baby. So, I got a couple things that's additional. Baby.
What's that?
Aluminum bright. This aluminum brightener right here. This is some very strong stuff, yeah. Yeah, you don't want to get this on your hand, on your skin, nowhere. This is for rust spots, like this here. So I'm just gonna do an application, you know, for y'all. You know, this ain't nothing that my lady asked for. I'm gonna mention it to her if she that concerned about it. But as you can see, the driveway clean. She had an old car there sitting there for a long time. It's gonna take more than this to get it gone. Probably about 4 applications. Heated, I prefer heated. And I'm gonna just put this on there and let it sit, let it dry. It'll take some of that color out of it, some of them rust spots out of there. It's just a little game. You know. This on GP though, y'all. This ain't nothing. This for y'all to see. We're gonna do this little spot right here. Now we'll be doing that and letting it dry. It's not gonna make it disappear, but it will do better than what you see. You bet your money on it. Brightening, aluminum brightening. Yeah, let it sit for a while, pressure wash it warm and go back over. And it'll bring it out. But as you can see, she got a couple of them. She got a couple spots. I don't think it's her main concern, but I will ask. And if it is, we'll take care of it, no problem. Yeah, we'll take care of it, no problem. So, but yeah, this is strong stuff.
House look good, man.
House look good?
Nice and night and day difference.
Hey man, see, one thing about a house, about a good old house wash, you can sleep better. Yeah. You can sleep better, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know, you keep your house wash, the house will talk to me. They may not talk to y'all, but the house will talk to me. So
what they be saying to you?
They like when I come and give them a bath, you know. Yeah, but see, with a house, you know, with your body, you bathe every day. With your house, as long as you do it once a year, twice a year, once a year, every 2 years, she love you for it. Yeah, she'll stay standing 5 extra years for you. 5 extra years she'll stay standing for you. Cause she know you take care of her. A house can feel that, just like your car. Yeah, a house can feel when you care for them. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm here for. Like the pool man, how the pool man come keep your pool clean. I'm the house man. Yeah, you call me, I come get your house a bath. I make love to the house. Yeah, I made love to her, put a nice little rub on her, get her clean and shined up. And when I passed by, she said, "Hey, remember me?" I said, "Yes, ma'am."
Oh yeah, they talk to you.
Yeah, they talk to me. Yeah. It's a distinct voice. So when I ride past, they say, "Hey, you remember me?" I said, "Yes, ma'am. I'll be to see you next year." And she loved me for it. Yeah. They scream my name. They scream my name, baby, when they see me. Yeah. So, you know, hey, it's with anything. You know what I'm saying? You want to take care of it, baby. You know what I'm saying? You want to feed it. That way you can get what you want to get out of it. You know what I mean?
It's night and day difference. And this side was atrocious.
Come on, man. Oh, man. it was stubborn. It didn't even want to come clean. Yeah, she didn't want to come clean. But that's why when I do that, they love me even more. When I put that extra work in and I put that extra arm on there, she loved me to infinity.
Yes, it's lovely. I would definitely recommend you guys.
Well, thank you.
It's been years for this. We only did the 5 before, and it wasn't even that good.
What?
Yeah, I had my husband do it. Yes. This is lovely, so you will not go wrong. I would definitely be using y'all in the future. Customer for life. Thank you so much. This is beautiful.
So it's still kind of drying right now. I got the trim.
Okay.
And if you know how black the trim was.
Yes.
Got the trim back new.
Yes. So regular maintenance work.
Yep. Yep.
Definitely do it.
Once your patio dry, it's still kind of wet now. But it'll be snow white once it's finished. And
Sounds good to me. This stuff will be good.
window frame.
Everything looks good. Just clean the inside of it and just get it to go. Really good. Oh, it looks good.
I noticed some rust stains in the driveway.
Yeah,
So I just put like some aluminum brightener down there and left it down there. It's nothing that you can just get up right away.
Okay.
So I just put some aluminum brightener on a couple spots. And as it dry out, it'll foam up white and it'll kind of lighten up the shade. So it's something that takes a
time.
process of,
Okay.
more than one application of the chemicals. So, but
Yes.
once it dries, it's gonna look like that. The driveway. It's
Okay.
still wet.
Right here.
Yep.
Yeah.
White like that.
Okay, great.
So it's still wet, so that's why you see it. Like
Okay. Yeah, that looks good. So I can get the other stuff done.
that. Yeah. And the other side, got the other side for you. It's still wet,
Okay.
but she back too.
Hey, baby. Welcome back. Mama, sorry.
See what I tell you? I've talked to you. Gotta talk to him.
Yes.
Talk to the house.
Definitely. Yes, yes. I bet those animals come in like that. Yes, this is lovely. Oh, y'all did a magnificent job. Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Oh, yes. Ready for some.
Ready for the summer?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is more than just pressure washing for you. This is a peace of mind, ain't it?
Yeah. This is. If I can get away, man, and knock me a driveway down, a house down, I'm the biggest man in the world. You know, this ain't about money for me. I go over and beyond for my clients. You know, I love to do it. I love the process of from dirty to clean.
Ooh.
You know, so remember that. You know, from dirty to clean. You know, from small to big. You know, it's a process, and we love the process, baby. Big time, as you can see, we wrapping up, baby. It's a wrap. Closed case. It's over with. House complete. Driveway complete. You know, we're gonna wrap it up. Enjoy some of this free life, man. We're gonna get some lunch. And who knows, man? We may turn around and get another one there, man. Depends on how we feel, baby. But until then, next time.